Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said the promise will be fulfilled and it is happening soon. You have to fight, you have to stand, arise and take the weapons of armor. Keep on listening to me, keep on pondering my words, keep on acting my words. Eat my words, for this is your daily foods. The promise that I said to you before will be fulfilled soon. There's no time to tarry. I will not tarry anymore. It will happen soon. It will be fulfilled soon. Have faith in me. Abide in me. Move, move, move. Work in your faith. Move in freedom. Trust me, for I will help you, for I will fulfill what I have promised to you. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.